Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to draw alphabets. जी बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABC लिखना. पहले हम कलर्स नेम जानते हैं. This is a green color. This is a pink color. This is a light green color. This is a orange color. This is a purple color. This is a parrot color. This is a red color. This is a skin color. This is a light peach color. This is a black color. This is a yellow color. This is a pink color. This is a orange. This is a grey color. This is a rosy color. This is a brown color. This is a blue color. This is a light pink color. जी बच्चों, ये हुए हमारे कलर्स नेम. अब हम लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं ABC. Let's drawing together in an easy way. This is a red color and I paint the A. This is a parrot color. I paint the B. This is a orange color. I paint the C. A, B, C. This is a purple color. I paint the D. This is a yellow color and I paint the E. A, B, C, D, E. This is a brown color. I paint the F. E, F. This is a rosy color and I paint the G. Come in with me drawing step by step. This is a pink color. I paint the H. G, H. This is a green color. I paint the I. This is a red color. I paint the J. This is a parrot color. I paint the K. This is a orange color. I paint the L. This is a purple color. I paint the M. L, M. This is a yellow color. I paint the N. Come in with me drawing step by step. This is a brown color. I paint the O. M, N, O. This is a rosy color. I paint the P. O, P. This is a pink color. I paint the Q. O, P, Q. This is a green color. I paint the R. P, Q, R. This is a red color. I paint the S. Q, R, S. This is a parrot color. I paint the T. R, S, T. This is a orange color. I paint the U. S, T, U. This is a purple color. I paint the V. This is a yellow color. I paint the W. This is a brown color. I paint the X. And this is a rosy color. I paint the Y. And then last number is Z. X, Y, Z. Color is pink. And learn again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. See you. Bye.